Hi guys, and welcome to this Vanessa Kensington inspired makeup tutorial portrayed by the beautiful Elizabeth Hurley. The palette I'm going to be using today is the Cremated palette by Jeffree Star, and I'm taking this white shade right here to highlight under the brow bone area. I'm going to look kind of funny because I'm going to wear a wig later, so my hair is red with really dark brown eyebrows, but I am using some light blue contacts too to kind of capture the look. I wish I looked like Elizabeth Hurley, but God knows I couldn't be that lucky. Then I'm taking Life Insurance from the palette. It's just a matte gray, and blending that in my crease, and that's going to provide a nice smoky backup shade for when we apply the black here in a bit. A lot of these shades look the same, but they all have a different undertone. It's so weird, but this is a really good palette. I'm super impressed. It's my sister's palette and I've been borrowing it from her, but I just love it so much. And you want to blend that other shade on your lower lash line as well. Then you're going to take RIP on a smaller brush and just place this all over your lid. If you think about it, it's a very simple look. You just have to do a lot of blending. Make sure you have a really giant fluffy brush to blend out those grays, or else it's going to look really chalky. Of course, I'm just going to touch up with RIP again on the lid before we go in with black. I am taking this black eyeshadow right here called Hearse and place this all over the eye area at like so. You're going to want to do this a couple of times and make sure you have baking powder, unless you don't have foundation on already, to catch that fallout. You just want to make sure you keep going in and touching up, blending out, going in, touching up, and blending out. Okay, so now I'm going to take some white eyeliner to align my waterline. This is what makes your eyes look nice and open, and I'm going to take some liquid eyeliner to line my lower lash line. Then take the black Hearse eyeshadow to blend that out and kind of touch up on the white eyeliner. The white eyeshadow in the inner corner. Then we are taking some more liquid eyeliner and lining our top lash line, following with mascara to kind of catch those lashes. We are going to use falsies, but we are using magnetic lashes. So I'm taking my magnetic eyeliner right here. And then I'm just going to use like a small natural style. You guys can skip this part. I'm not sure she even wore lashes, but I feel like my lashes were disappearing in this look, and you need some thinner lashes just to make it pop, especially if you're going to use this for a costume. Then I'm taking Nude Truffle by NYX and lining my lips. And yeah, I know this is way past Halloween, but this is an all year thing for me. I do costume looks all the time. Now I'm using Hue by MAC, and I thought it was a little bit too nude, so I took a little bit of this Live Glam Salsa lip gloss. Just take any kind of peachy nude lip gloss and put that all over your lips. Now for the wig, I will link it down below. I got it on Amazon. I made my costume, so unfortunately I can't link that. But I am going to put on my wig cap, and unfortunately the wig looked a lot lighter online, but when I got it, it's like black and her hair is more brown, but whatever, you get the idea. People will know who you are if they've watched Austin Powers. And just make sure you comb through the wig and make sure the hair is flipped outwards on the ends, and she kind of had this cute half up half down look, so I'm just going to leave the bangs out and kind of tie my hair up half down. Make sure it's nice and high as well. That'll be adorable. Okay, so we are just tying the hair up. This part took the longest for me, believe it or not. Yeah, so make sure the ends are flipped up like so. And that is it. That is the Vanessa Kensington inspired look. I also did her lingerie version because I love that look. But I hope you guys enjoyed. See you soon. Bye.